Ayazu, Ayaza, Ayazuzu, Ayazaza, Ayazu, Ayaza, Ayazuza, Ayazazu, Ayazuzazu. Pechimanfo Mechiamo na Nyedikan Enra Ewia Hello? Safe mote. Enra ewia yante asempa. Ebi se yenua oye NDC eba mapa. Aye na yenim no. Oye yenua aye friend Alhaji Bature. Enra ana akra ebeka yensa se wa dani lechi enti asan ye behya ase no peso bia ye din ni emfa sima ba ko pe emfa kai Alhaji Bature enti komi ye obi anye din sima ba ko pe Twedi ampa Nyankopon emfa ne kransie ale jikashi ale saya futa ale bashi Jannatu Firdaus enti minriano nantia ye nanti ense ye shase watamale ye free ho na ye beye enkran de e free kran na ye koye Cape Coast Central Region e free ho na ye call Western after Western and almost regional etoso and Bronga Hafo and ye ka say ye beye work you Bronga Hafo and the executives they say there be I say NDC Fapem no and what Techiman NDC Akuma and what Techiman enti se bedi sa Jumedia baby ese fata say yedi Jumedia beko and Techiman enti anopei muhu ye hanna Nanti a your friend Unity Walk no enunti nearby na nanti no se wo hwe baby a yakọ nyina Techiman and na number 1 every say o hwe kilometer dodo a ya nanti baby a yakọ bia baby I nante no ye measure kilometers no na ye kon nante Otakwa ye nante 12 kilometers and ne Techiman dia ya ye nante a ye di free Kenten Park and nante etwa Techiman ho hia ye no ya ye 14.2 kilometers na se Saoja ni patugo epie yenso a emi se Techiman di first ni patugo a ebeka ye ho a ye nanti na Techiman ene number 1 baako na atwam yi yɛkɔ abatoɔ na sɛnea abatoɔ no kɔɔɛ no ɛnyɛ saa na yɛdwene sɛ ɛbɛkɔ ɛnso yɛmpanyimfoɔ sɛ wosua nkonimdi a ɛwɔ sɛ wosua nkugo nso di every say nyame bo wiase enye de bia na obedi nkudim eto de bia odi nkugo enso yese bema enye mpresen a obehwe asidehia say na upegya wo mu wohwe asiwia say na upegya wo mu okenya wo upegya wo enti NDC ahwe ase a nehia ne se nye beye ntem asa sorry biom dum enu nehia enso mehyɛ mo bɔ se NDC ebe sorry biom enti enhyehyɛ a yɛde ato hɔ ebetimi ama yepegya party na sensi na nanso eno ene ehye ase afi efi January and February ehyehyɛ ampanyimfo na ye ene se yena yebesa akọ ye police station branch ni akọtro ye din se wo feel se wo ye NDC ba ampa ene ne awbe ne se wo betwa passport picture mienu na what the 1 city pay now wako the polling station branch and call headquarters and call regional headquarters and call how much baby a polling station ballot box BACBR your NDC branch chairman or NTBisa baby our branch war now for our passport picture me no and then 1 city pay now for comma chairman no near oil registration no obetro din passport picture no bako or the best share registration book no na bako or the share with membership card mu no assign no the card down now and no na say ampa we are NDC member enti sa jubege yeah from January to February 28th February and track war. Until free Samray copying February 28th. Obiya Mobadia and the branch and control Nidin. Me am Mijina Heya, me former president of Ghana. I'm here NDC Bamapa. Me so me try me passport picture me no. Me kuta me 1 CD. I medical bole. I wanna me go to district assembly branch. Me police station here, district assembly. And me call district assembly branch. I want bole. No ma control me ding. No me try me 1 CD. Na you the membership card amami. Na I won't fast one say. What your membership card now? And no, any of the better about any constituency executives. And no, any of the better about any regional executives. And no, any of the better about any national executives. And no, any of the better about any nipa obedi a kind in the year 2020. Flag bearer. Choboy, Ayazu, Ayaza, Ayazuzu, Choboy. Aha, sa membership card no. And no near that bigger elections na. Sa oye nipa na odwe say open say near ehia elections na ye be ye wa party no. wo pese o kan wo bia ene o passport picture me no ene o membership card ne 1 cedi no akoje emre no dru ho a ye elections na wo kire wo card a no ato aba ne bi enti nia ye be ye no na me pese obia de me ho kan ho bi ye be nante a no abe nante ye to yesu a na so ato bi na akodru se ni ehia se ye be ye etini eyi party and perform some party no na akodru se wan ko register enti na wo ni card ebe mobo ento bia momo de anko tro ni din na me wo gidie se afi ebe ko ne wie ye a ye be yi executives ye be yi presidential candidate na che party no e sequence so a nyame adom 2020 ye ko pray aba no na ye din ko din 2020 elections na me pamacho entitie ene tawantawa a 2016 e ba ye ntemu no ye nyina ye bombodi ane yin free ho me pamacho ni anipa ne penu mumma kwan na nipa ni yi sa nipa no obi sori o se mini chairman hwe abrayete NDC wo kro hana wo he me na makofa we nse on bejina opa wompo on na bejina na nipa na ka se sa ene mani jire nipa no ko jina na yakodi guguo enti mumma yen to abano ni yi nipa dom da kuma pe se ne be ya ye ko to abana etimi edi nkunimu abatu odum enti branch executive so regional executive so constituency executive so national executive so yembo modia se ne be ya nipa dom no pe no omo ne be yi omo na me wo gidie se nyame adom sa ne beba no me ba no san so a na 2020 de nyame adom 2020 de 2020 yo afi uko bebia nipa se yento ade secondary room ya ho chire ye na we brofo kasamo yese anya rocket science abra we campaign we say within 100 days within 100 days we be chia contractor for you na e car bind the omo mountain hill we say within 100 days we be chia contractor for you na e car bind the omo and then afini contractors DP abra ya buy chia omo November December every summer no omo ka e da buy ho yenjia be ya afini na ohwe economy so a se won tua contractors a ema ahochireba every say contractor and na obetua ne ka na nyoton cement wakoto nipa ne cement na when tua contractor one ekoto ne cement no contract ko yeni when tua contractor ka obetimi aye ne tipa ye contractor na utua ne car steel bender mason carpenter almost ombeje adwuma ye if you say we tua contractor car so when tua contractor car mason steel bender carpenter ombeje adwuma ye na say contractor tua steel bender ni mason ni foreman ni sam conform car and also na construction site we be hu say yam man so omo di omoduane abesi ho enti adwuma no ekoso no na omo to aduane di na ye maame no nso enya sika ezu enti se when you are contractor car it slows down economic activity where enye bamia economics a simple economics entina enemu kotra magazine motra ho the whole the obi factory ma every say contractors in ejuma enti we dey yesre nanado yesre finance minister a car or the contractors don't you amuka every say contractors also when you amuka eya bosia na amukoji wo bank any microfinance when you amuka almost timi ko tua banka enti say ma me no so here bosia wo bank wa say contractor na agisika no ama sika na ko di government o government si on tua enti say ya ma me mo ko bank wa ya pe bosia kakra so sika ni o enti omo bombo dia no tua contractors ka because contractors stimulate economic activity. When contractors are working, there is economic activity and there is distribution of income in the country. Enti ebo mo share contractor for say within 100 days on betu amuka omo mo be dia MD so na omo ntua amuka na fa esel eye oyo na say Okasa, there's no NDC for special prosecutor. Yeah, the special prosecutor, but that prosecutor is not special. Or your normal prosecutor, or your special prosecutor. On your special prosecutor. The special prosecutor is like any ordinary state attorney. Because Obusa members of parliament are a bill now. The special prosecutor bill puts him still under the supervision of the attorney general. So did you go or did you come? The problem with attorney general is or your minister of justice. It's only president national cabinet. It is a kobase katase share na proye biba. Akoya said na buying inti a okan buying no unti. Otimi prosecute di pano. Enti na adwemba say yenye special prosecutor. Enti anka okoya special prosecutor. E was say oye independent. I say aban enche no ne was oye ne onye. And then you say Billy Abbey, special prosecutor. Say Opeja accept no Castle do quarter. Attorney General bet me akache so unjai. Moga say a visible forces combo judges be ewo kumase. Attorney General Faili Bibi I friend nolly prosecute. Nolly prosecute. Osha bill no more. Attorney General Asema special prosecutor Apeja Attorney General bet me Faili nolly prosecute. Say onjai assembly HD. Entina me say prosecutor no onye special. Because say open say or yes special prosecutor. And here I was here amended 1992 constitution no. Now you creating office of an independent special prosecutor. And sana with me sa fahundie any independence obetimi akun etia katasi share the project. But say anya sadia and the prosecutor no hokwa na mate say nipa bi and on person odin koshe ho na minim de but say say nipa na ombo atutu ni din egu bedwam a and say nipa no nya independent to go one of our MPP lawyer nipa onye o man peni ejuma in the same you say obeso ye special prosecutor. Enti say yeah NDC for yes through special prosecutor attorney general state attorney now the baby Yensro. We are the apostles and disciples of probity and accountability. And say, if you are and you want to subject us to probity and accountability, we don't have a problem. But we must make sure that all our colleagues, our ex-appointees who are accused of any wrongdoing go through the right process and are convicted by a competent judge. And the American said, we NDC members should not pass judgment on our colleagues because they are deemed innocent until they are proven guilty in a court of competent jurisdiction. And as long as they have not been proven guilty, as long as they've not been proven guilty, it is our duty to show them some solidarity and at least make sure that they have proper legal representation. Some courts, not judge for say, we are guilty, then we accept that they are guilty. But even then, they have the right of appeal. And na Niameka say, Yenya Butre, Yankambum. If we say, on my party back home, anything says your mind. Anything that your papa at a mills or buy near friend and father for all. If we say, or see on yimu, Ghana ye na dear, and family party a war. Enti obia kwan ma obia abra Pastor Mills for MPP for nye juma, NDC for nye juma ye, CPP for nye juma ye. And so osono for eba ye no. I feel almost say nye MPP when nye MPP ni anya won ka ho. Se won nye MPP ni anya won ka ho. Na se MPP no se party emma anase nipoye NDC ni ana MPP ni a oye party executive kasa ultimate ase and so se government nipa a yede Ghana eto etua neka ekasa enye entwasum because yen na the tua to no enye bi tua oka. And I say, me oho na me kai WhatsApp and answer social media. And I be who say Ghana Revenue Authority. Omo the advert aba say ye na ye ntia ye to na to no ne de ye o man yi. And ezu and na obi atrase baby, Ghana Revenue Authority advertises say obi anko Ghana for nyina enko tua omotro and obi atras yes say omo kwani MPP for to dancer if you say omo ya Ghana for chen ya ka no ezu enti sakasa no entwasum na me efutu amema na nado ene MPP aban. And they say, Omumbo Modian can Ghana for Gina and boom. And Fahu said, we are NDC and now we are MPP. And Tono Omobejia, Yembisa, we are NDC and I say MPP as Anyaje, and Tono if you ho. And the Naya Kambum near Nipabako. Na say, and say, and your Macacra TV license, let's sign your mano. I say, BBSia, yes, now abiding in Hoshi. It will be say this is an unaware government. If we say BBSia, you mean Hoshi. TV license courts, yes, Minister Nini Hoshi, Nanado Nim Hoshi. First aid kits, yes, register our card, this is auto first aid kit. Yes, abiding in Hoshi. 100,000 Ghana cedis sell the betra on my penny chain. They say Nanani Moshe. And so Mahama Bresso, what they call a Bola Sub-Metro, and not a Chiba Sub-Metro. Now because you are here, Mama, about one incident, Banasa. More kind. Mama Bresso, say BBC was a crashy. Never can say Mama about one incident and a Sisano. And so a Bible from my head. The BABC a bad president to go, so not president in the world. I think I may say, Surah Himemu, heaven, get back open the wall, get to the you. I also don't remember no crab back open the wall, and then no crab you know. Now, Nyameka say, Saosha and Tra, ye dear, say, ye pet to minty. Enti na meka say me ya ntete me sa me nya nipa ya tete me say to me nti me di tro ente Ghana for because I say DK ma say me buy ya say me ne me yere lodi na dia Ezu DK Masemi Baye MB before the intro say DK Mejumano I am me Lodina dia enti omoba ombeji sikano e ho no ma chichama enkrofo omoji free omo ho no me say ene nyame adarment mo aba DK mo hwehwe mo hu why dia Semini Lodina dia bechi ekotum afe obia anu ayekom ezu na entro de se wodi baako a jesa usa di mienu entro eka ho esa di miesa ka ho efi se entro entimi ntina enti ehya ase ehim hima jesa wodi entro baako eka ho na ti bi choki we we hu na ni mienu hihim this all di trom ne sa eka ho na choki mienu no ento de entra na wudi ko na yesi utimi di entro enya to me and so want me fa entro embu o mai enti utimi de entro eji to me and so want me fa entro embu o mai enti we dey me the man we see her na madam ase na ma catch them say NDC no shaking NDC ye him kra enti money na monkai na monko o branches na monko register send a beya nyame ejina echi na minim se 2016 ezu nyame shishenti ene ba ne send e bae every say send nyame ka watamale no se nyame amana mbasa aka ne beye bia enso Ghana for ni ezu ejina nyame se endi se mun kotra se na omuso mun beye bi ni ehwe enti ekoso hwe na yesi agrobeso a anopa na esi ekoewia na anopa mo mu bibi yo me de nyame jamo